G'day, my name is Brandon Clift, Educational Facilitator at the Center for Professional Education here at UTC. Now, you may be wondering and hearing about all the buzz and hype surrounding the logistics industry here in Chattanooga. Well, I can tell you, there is no better place to be if you are looking to go from perhaps a job into a successful career, or if you want to transfer from an already established career, but really increase your skills. Create an environment or find an environment in which you can actually start to hone those hard and soft skills to soar and achieve all of your professional and personal goals. Well, I'm telling you right now, the freight and logistics industry in this town is absolutely thriving, and you have an opportunity to thrive as well by taking on a career as a freight broker. In fact, over the past 6 months, we have been working tirelessly to create a phenomenal program to help arm budding freight brokers with all the necessary soft and hard skills to achieve all their personal ambitions and professional as well. And we want to invite you December 6th, 5:30 to 7 p.m. for an open house at the University of Tennessee, Chattanooga, James R. Mount Building to find out what all the hype is about. We're going to have industry partners and professionals join us that will be there to answer all of the questions you may have of what it takes to succeed in a career in freight, as well as a chance to meet all of us instructors and get a sneak peek kind of behind the curtain as to what's involved in this phenomenal program. So again, I encourage you to join us. You have nothing to lose. 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. on December 6th to join us for an open house that you won't forget, because there's going to be free pizza, great company, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So please join us on that date, and I look forward to meeting you personally myself. See you then.